In instances where you need to find the Wi-Fi password for the network you're currently connected to, perhaps you need to add some further devices to that network and you don't quite remember your password, rather than resetting your router or giving it a factory reset and starting over, there is a quick command you can run on Windows 10 and 11 and even older versions of Windows where you can actually see the password of the network you're connected to in clear text. The first thing we're going to do is just check the Wi-Fi network that we want to run this command on. So in this example, we're using the iPhone as a hotspot. We want to know what the password is for that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press the start button. We're going to type CMD and we're going to run as administrator and select yes to the UAC that pops up. The command we're going to put in firstly is to see a list of profiles available to us. So it's netsh wlan show profiles. Press the enter key on your keyboard and you will see the profiles available to us to run the final command and get the password. So in this case, we're connected to the iPhone network. We're going to type out the next command like this: netsh wlan show profile, quotation mark, iPhone, end quotations, key equals clear, and press enter. You'll then see in the output that comes up on the screen in the security settings section, the key content is where your password is located. So in this case, its password is here, but yours will say whatever your password is. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If I saved you any time, feel free to give us a like on the video and subscribe for more.